Honda NT700V Deauville Best Motorcycle Review, 8V, V-twin 5 gears. If the idea of whipping briskly across continents in the blink of an eye holds less appeal than comfortable cruising, excellent economy, unflappable reliability and ease of use, then step right up and meet the 2006 to 2015 Honda Deauville, a friendly V-twin, mid-size tourer that's ready for anything. Once you've read this review and our owner's reviews, you may want to join an online community and talk to like-minded people. We'd suggest Deauville Owners UK would be a great place to start. Ride quality and brakes. Rather than stick on a fat tire for aesthetic purposes, Honda wisely stuck to a sensible 150-section tire on the Honda Deauville that combines well with a competent chassis for a surprisingly agile ride. The Honda Deauville doesn't lose its sense of balance even when fully loaded and two-up, either. Engine. The Honda Deauville's SOHC V-twin produces brisk acceleration, with enough mid-range urge to capably dispense with motorway overtakes. It's also flexible enough to let you hang on to a higher gear through slower corners, but with a dry weight of 236 kilograms and just 64 brake horsepower to propel, you don't expect miracles from the Honda Deauville. Steady away now. Reliability and build quality. With its shaft drive and famed build quality, the Honda Deauville should run and run. The motor has been in service, almost unchanged, with Honda since 1988 and is capable of truly huge mileage, well into six figures from many Honda Deauvilles. We've got loads of Honda Deauville owners' reviews on the site, with a very strong overall score. There don't seem to be any really common faults with the bike, although some report electrical issues. Value versus rivals. Read any Honda Deauville review and you'll read that the Honda Deauville's service costs are low, insurance premiums are on the floor, it's frugal and residual prices are very stable. In other words, the Honda Deauville is a bargain tourer, a cut-price pan-European if you like. Equipment. The Honda Deauville comes with color-coded hard panniers, with a total of over 54 liters carrying capacity. There's an ABS option to complement the Honda Deauville's standard equipment, combined braking system and #40, CBS and #41, a stereo system and a sat-nav system to boot.